How to enable virtualization technology on your laptop or PC. To enable virtualization technology on your laptop or PC, first of all, you have to know about your BIOS key. For that, open any browser, then on the searching bar, search for BIOS key. Then it will give your laptop BIOS key. Now, once you have known your BIOS key, the very next step you need to do is restart your computer and press the designated key. Now, keep pressing your BIOS key which you just found out. Now, it will enable your virtualization mode. Then you have to navigate to the Advanced or CPU Configuration tab and look for your laptop option. Then simply enable it. Once you are done, simply hit on the save and exit. Then your computer will be restarted and your virtualization is now enabled for use with virtual machines. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.